Today I am going to continue the chapter Equation of a Straight Line from the book R.S. Agarwal. The name of the book is R.S. Agarwal. I am doing the chapter Equation of a Straight Line. Here the question number 3. Find the slope of the line passing through the point. The points are given like this. Number 1. Number 3 first part is given. A given minus 2 comma 1 and B given 3 comma minus 4. You have to find out slope of the line using 2 points. Therefore slope, the formula as per the formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. The difference in y coordinate by difference in x coordinate. Just first point x1 y1, second point x2 y2. So y2 minus y1 will be minus 4 minus 1, next will be 3, this will be plus 2. That means minus 5 by 5 which is equal to minus 1. So what is the slope of the line? Slope of the line is, see the second part. Number 3 second part points are given like this. First point given 0 comma minus 3 and B given 2 comma 1 and find the slope. Okay. Therefore slope is equal to, write the formula first, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. The y2 is how much? 1. This will be plus 3 by 2 minus 0 coming 4 by 2. Okay. 4 by 2 is how? That will be 2. What is the slope? The slope is equal to 2. Slope, the name is gradient. The third part you see, third part point given, A point, first point given 4 comma minus 9 and B given minus 2 comma minus 1. Therefore slope is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So y2 is how much? Minus 1. This will be plus 9 by x2, that is minus 2 minus 4. 9 minus 1 is how much? 8. 8 by minus 6. The final will be minus 4 by 3. This is the answer of number 2, 3, third part. You have to find out the slope of the line. Okay. And number 4th part, just to see. The 4th part points are given like this. A given 2 comma 5 and B given minus 4 comma minus 4. And you have to find out slope. Same for process, formula is what? y2 minus y1. Here y2 is minus 4, minus 5, y2 minus y1 by x2, that is minus 4, x2 minus x1. Okay, minus 9 by minus 6. This will be 3 by 2. The answer is slope is equal to 3 by 2. In this way I have completed number 3. 4 question. Let us see next number. Just see. See the next question. Find the inclination of the line. Equation of the line given, you have to find out angle of inclination. Before finding the angle of inclination, we should know what is the slope of the given line. If you compare the given line equation with y is equal to mx plus c, what will you get? This m is nothing but slope of the line. Slope of the line. If you compare this, what will you get? Therefore m means slope of the line. Slope of the line is equal to m is equal to root 3. That is coefficient of x. As you know, slope of the line denoted by m, which is equal to tan theta equal to root 3. Theta is angle of inclination. Tan theta is equal to, this is tan 60. Therefore theta will be how much? Comparing both sides, theta is equal to 60 degrees. Okay. Theta is nothing but the angle of inclination. Angle of inclination equal to 60 degrees. Okay. In this way I have completed the next question also. Okay. Just see the next question. See the next question, number 22 I have taken. A given 2 comma 7 and B given minus 3 comma 5 are two given points. You have to find out the gradient of AB. Gradient means slope. slope of AB. Same formula you have to apply, that is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, that is 5 minus 7 by minus 3 minus 2. You are getting 5 minus 7 is minus 2 by minus 5, which is equal to 2 by 5. You are getting slope of the line AB 2 by 5. Again they are asking to find equation of line AB. Equation of AB. After getting slope, you can apply slope point form. Using slope point form. Using slope point form. Okay. Equation AB using slope point formula, y minus y1 f x minus x1. This is the slope point form. If you compare, that means y minus y1. The first point you take, that is 2, 7, that is 7. And a you got 2 by 5. X minus x1, that is 2. After simplification, how much you will get? This is 5 y minus 35. This is 2x minus 4. After arrangement, what you will get? Therefore, 2x minus 5y, 2x minus 5y, and minus means plus 29, minus 4, this will be plus 35, minus 4 plus 35, this will be plus 29, equal to 0. This is the required equation of the line AB. Okay. 2 points are given, you have to find out slope of the line AB, that is gradient. Slope is nothing but gradient of the line AB. After finding slope, then you can find easily, the equation of AB by slope point form. That is y minus y1 is equal to f x minus x1. Putting the value, you are getting the equation line. In this way, I have completed number 4 questions, number 17, number 22. Try to complete more questions from your given books. Thank you for today's class. Okay.